Are you looking for the top 5 best blenders you need in your kitchen? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 blenders you need in your kitchen on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Vitamix Explorian with Programs, 3 blending programs. Explorian with Programs renewed premium blender motor base, large 64-ounce container, and low-profile tamper. This low-profile kitchen blender container allows for large capacity blends while still fitting under kitchen cabinets. 3 blending programs. 3 automatic blending programs for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts ensure consistent results. Achieve precise textures with 10 variable speed settings and a pulse function for ice crushing. 2.2 HP motor. Equipped with a high-performance motor, this countertop blender lets you say goodbye to chunky smoothies and hello to effortless blends. Stainless steel blades, laser cut. Stainless steel blades can power through fibrous produce and frozen fruit, crush ice and nuts, and much more, offering consistent blends for years. 64-ounce container. The BPA-free, dishwasher-safe blending container is designed to create the iconic Vitamix Vortex. It's a professional-grade blender for smoothies, juices, purees, sauces, soups, and more, making hot and cold dishes in the container. Self-cleaning. Simply add warm water, a drop of dish soap to the container, and the blender cleans itself in 30 to 60 seconds, with no disassembly needed. It saves time and is great for families and those wanting an easier way to eat healthily. 3-year limited warranty. Explorian with Programs renewed premium blender goes through a 17-point checklist inspection and comes with a 3-year warranty. Number 2. Vitamix Propel Series 510 blender with 3 blending programs. Experience the quality and convenience of Vitamix Propel Series 510 blender, designed to deliver professional-grade blending performance. With a 2-horsepower motor, Propel 510 effortlessly breaks down everything from fibrous greens to frozen fruit and nuts, allowing you to create anything from chunky salsas to silky smoothies. Its durable metal drive system ensures longevity. Laser cut, stainless steel blades deliver consistent results. Take control of recipes with intuitive variable speed control and pulse function, or enjoy the convenience of 3 blending programs. The full container blending capacity means you can pulverize an entire batch at once and add more ingredients through the lid as you go, perfect for meal prepping. More than a shake and smoothie maker, you can make hot soup in minutes using only friction heat. Propel 510 combines power, control, and simplicity to elevate your kitchen appliances. This Vitamix blender comes with a 5-year limited warranty. Number 3. Vitamix Explorian with Programs, 3 blending programs. Discover Vitamix Explorian with Programs renewed premium, which expertly balances affordability with professional-grade performance. With a 2.2 horsepower motor, this blender effortlessly breaks down everything from fibrous greens to frozen fruit and nuts, allowing you to create anything from chunky salsas to silky smoothies. Its durable metal drive system ensures longevity. Laser cut, stainless steel blades deliver consistent results. Take control of recipes with intuitive variable speed control and pulse function, or enjoy the convenience of 3 blending programs. The full container blending capacity means you can pulverize an entire batch at once and add more ingredients through the lid as you go, perfect for family meals and meal prepping. More than a shake and smoothie maker, you can make hot soup in minutes using only friction heat to bring ingredients to serving temperature. Explorian with Programs is an accessible choice for home chefs looking to upgrade their kitchen appliances and enjoy legendary Vitamix quality. Number 4. Vitamix Explorian E310 blender. Vitamix fuels passions. It's why we're the brand most trusted by professional chefs. But you won't just find us in restaurant kitchens. You'll also find us in home kitchens around the world. Because whether you're interested in the culinary arts, making healthier choices, or enjoying restaurant-quality smoothies at home, when you're ready to move on and move up, when you're ready to invest in your passion, you're ready for Vitamix. Built to last, a bargain blender's not a bargain if it doesn't last. We know purchasing a Vitamix blender is an investment, but Vitamix blenders are built to last, helping you buy dependable, not disposable, Easy to clean, just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap at your machine's highest speed, and watch it self-clean in 60 seconds or less. No disassembly required. The difference is in the blend. Since the #1 reason people purchase a blender is to make smoothies, it's important to get them right. Whether you prefer an icy blend or a perfectly smooth puree, nutrition-packed with veggies or a light, fruity treat, Vitamix smoothies give you a delicious, even blend in every sip. Power we don't aim to have the highest horsepower. Number 5. Vitamix Venturist Pro Blender. The Vitamix Venturist Pro Blender, renewed premium, delivers professional-grade performance in a sleek, space-saving design. With its powerful motor and stainless steel blades, this blender effortlessly handles everything from smoothies and nut butters to soups and frozen desserts. The 64-ounce low-profile container fits comfortably under most kitchen cabinets while still providing ample capacity for family-sized recipes. Designed for precision, it offers variable speed control and a pulse feature, giving you complete control over texture and consistency. The aircraft-grade blades ensure smooth, even blending every time, while the self-cleaning function makes cleanup quick and easy. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap. Backed by Vitamix's reputation for durability and performance, this renewed premium model has been tested and certified to work like new. Perfect for home chefs and smoothie lovers alike, the Vitamix Venturist Pro is built to elevate your blending experience for years to come.